What happens when you type a URL in the browser? Have you ever questioned what occurs when you enter a URL in your browser? It may seem straightforward, but there is an immense amount happening within milliseconds. Step 1. Your browser communicates with a DNS server, similar to a phone book, to locate the website's IP address. Step 2. It then sends a request to the web server that contains Google's content. Step 3. The server responds with code, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Step 4. Your browser processes the received data, assembles the page, and displays the content instantly. In mere milliseconds, you transition from typing a URL to viewing a fully functional web page. Pretty amazing, right? Now picture creating a website yourself someday. Man technologist, woman technologist interested in learning how? Be sure to hit that follow button.